Have you ever been on vacation and wished you had access to your money without the hassle of carrying cash or relying on foreign exchange services? Or maybe you're a freelancer or business owner who needs to make international payments quickly and easily. If so, then Monese might be the solution you've been looking for. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Monese and how it can help you manage your money on the go. What is Monese? Monese is a mobile-first banking app that allows you to open a bank account and access a range of financial services from your smartphone. It's designed to be simple, convenient, and affordable, making it a great option for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. How does Monese work? To get started with Monese, you simply need to download the app and create an account. You will then be able to add money to your account using a variety of methods, including bank transfer, debit card, and cash deposit. Once you have money in your account, you can start using Monese to make payments, send and receive money, and even withdraw cash from ATMs around the world. You can also use Monese to set up direct debits and recurring payments. Features. Monese offers a range of features to make managing your money easier, including multi-currency. You can hold and spend money in up to 15 different currencies, including GBP, Euro, USD, and AUD. International payments. You can send money to anyone in the world, regardless of their currency. Free ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide without any fees. Direct debits and recurring payments. You can set up direct debits and recurring payments to make sure your bills are paid on time. Budgeting and tracking. You can use Monese budgeting and tracking tools to keep track of your spending and stay on top of your finances. Customer support. Monese offers 24/7 customer support, so you can get help whenever you need it. Benefits. There are many benefits to using Monese, including simple and easy to use. Monese is designed to be simple and easy to use, even for people who are not tech savvy. Affordable. Monese offers a range of affordable plans to suit your needs. Convenient. You can access your account and manage your money from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Secure. Monese uses advanced security measures to protect your money and data. Who is Monese for? Monese is a great option for anyone who wants to manage their money on the go, make international payments, avoid foreign exchange fees, get access to a range of banking services, keep track of their spending and stay on top of their finances. Pricing. Monese offers a range of pricing plans to suit your needs. The most basic plan is free, while the most expensive plan costs £14.99 per month. Monese is a great option for anyone who wants a simple, convenient, and affordable way to manage their money on the go. With its range of features and benefits, Monese can help you take control of your finances and make the most of your money. If you're interested in learning more about Monese, please visit our website or download our app today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.